Morning everyone. Today we will do the topic laboratory thermometer. Yesterday we had discussed about clinical thermometer, right? Clinical thermometer is the thermometer which is used to measure the temperature of human body. Now today we will discuss about laboratory thermometer. Clear? Laboratory thermometer, as the name suggests, this is the thermometer which is used in laboratories. This thermometer is used in laboratories. So laboratory thermometer is a thermometer which is used in laboratories to measure the temperature of objects. Like with the help of laboratory thermometer, we can find out the temperature of water. Clear? Now, laboratory thermometer reads from -10 degrees Celsius to plus 110 degrees Celsius. It means with the help of laboratory thermometer, we can measure the temperature within this range, -10 degrees Celsius to plus 110 degrees Celsius. Clear? Now, I'm just telling you one activity in which we will measure the temperature of water with the help of laboratory thermometer. In this activity, firstly, you have to take water in this beaker. Clear? Now, we have to insert or immerse the laboratory thermometer inside the water. Clear? So, laboratory thermometer. Now suppose if I am doing this, the thermometer is touching the surface of water. Is this the right way? Your answer is no. The thermometer should be properly dipped in the water. Clear? So this is not the right way. The thermometer should be properly dipped in the water. First thing. Clear? Second precaution that you have to take, the bulb of the thermometer. You know na, this is the bulb. Bulb of the thermometer should be immersed in the water, no doubt. But it should not touch the base of the beaker. Means if you are just putting it like this, if your thermometer is like this, then it means this is the wrong method. Clear? This is the correct method. The bulb of the thermometer should not touch the base of the container. Clear? So, firstly we have to take beaker in the water. Then put clinical thermometer inside the water. First precaution, thermometer should be straight. It should not be tilted. Clear? It should be straight. It should not be tilted. Like suppose if you are just keeping the thermometer like this. So this is not the correct way. It should be straight, upright. Second, it should be properly dipped in the water. And third, it should not touch the base of the container. Clear? So now, water is there in the container. Your laboratory thermometer is there. Just leave it for a few seconds. After a few seconds, you can just see the mercury level in the thermometer. It will rise. Clear? Then you can just note the reading. But you have to take one precaution again. I am giving you example of your body. If you have to take the temperature of your body with the help of clinical thermometer, firstly you used to put the clinical thermometer under your tongue. Then you have then you used to take out the thermometer out of your mouth and then you used to read it, right? But if you will take out the thermometer from the beaker and then if you will read it, then your reading will be wrong. So what you have to do? You have to take the reading while the thermometer is in the water. Clear? You have to take the reading while the thermometer is still in the water. If you will take out the thermometer and if you will take the reading, then your reading will not be accurate. Now the question is why? Because laboratory thermometer does not have kink. Laboratory thermometer does not have kink. In clinical thermometer, I told you, kink is present which prevents the falling of mercury level on its own. But in laboratory thermometer, kink is absent. So as soon as you will take out the thermometer out of the water, the mercury level will change and you will not get the correct reading. Clear? So while measuring the temperature with the laboratory thermometer, you have to take a precaution that the temperature must be read when the thermometer is in the water. Clear? Now tell me, can you use laboratory thermometer to measure your body temperature? Think. The answer is no. Why? Because in laboratory thermometer, suppose if you are using laboratory thermometer to measure your body temperature, you'll put it in your mouth, right? Now if you want to read it, what will you do? You have to take it out from your mouth, right? But as I told you, it doesn't have kink. So as soon as you will take it out, the mercury level will change and you will not get the accurate measurement. So that's why we cannot use laboratory thermometer to measure our body temperature as it doesn't have kink. Clear? Thank you.